129 at 145.96 versus a 11.3 at 135. Got him.
Get ready to take a shot.
That's the last race. I didn't realize I had my GoPro on the back of my bike.
Put a spanking on this boy. On the last one, let's see if the young man can get some revenge here. Here we go, here we go.
Bike's over here. Monday I'm biking in the sun.
Yeah, I seen they got CH5.
I'm gonna get them when they come back because they're gonna be talking shit.
I did exactly what I said. I knew it was gonna red light. Thank you. I did that for y'all. I did that for you. I did that for you. I did that for you. This is Charles.
Always a bride, never a bride.
We won the war.
How did it happen down there? Did you come around on? Did you come around on the video?
I came around his ass so fast. Stupid. Ask him. Don't ask me, ask him. He
Hey,
seen.
Charles, did Ed come around you on the big end?
He did. That's because I was in there on 1 year. Did you see it coming up, Charles?
At the end of the track?
He jumped up twice. No, right at the beginning.
Yeah,
He came up twice. Right after he red light. Yeah. No, he came around me now. He trailed me on the first one. Once he red light, I knew it was over. The race was over once before it even started. But good run. I didn't get no video. You know I said right.
So can you teach us how to drag race, sir? Just give us the game.
Hey, have confidence in yourself, have a strong fast bike, and do what it do. That's it.
And switch the throttle.
Switch that throttle, baby. Let's go.
You all out here having fun. Really competitive.
That brisket too much. And that BBQ. Ate a whole slab of ribs already.
One rib.
One rib.
One rib.
One bone. One bone.
One bone.
And then you put like $100 bill out or some shit.
Right. You got change for 100.
Get your ass out of here.
They selling ice cream. Y'all gonna get ice cream?
You get one there. You say you good, Jared?
Yeah, man. Go ahead. Shit.